This video is about our rest stop assignments in FS 101. As explained in the course and in the OER, career development and decision making is a journey. And occasionally on long journeys, we need to stop for rest and reflection. So in our class, we have 5 assignments called rest stops, where we will ask you to stop and reflect upon your learning to that point. Our first rest stop assignment covers part 1 of the OER and of our class, which answers the big question, who am I? This rest stop will ask you to pull together all of your career priorities you discovered in part 1 of the class. All of our rest stop assignments have the same visual appearance and the same categories. You will see the purpose of each assignment, the learning outcomes from our class that are addressed by the assignment, the resources you need, estimated time to complete the assignment, the tasks, meaning what you're actually doing in the assignment, and how you will be graded. Each of the rest stops includes this grading rubric explaining how you will earn your points on the assignment. Please pay careful attention to the resources needed and the estimated time to complete the assignment, because most of the rest stops will require that you look back at some previous activities you've already done and gather that information to be able to complete the tasks section of the rest stop. Most of these rest stop assignments are self-reflective, asking you again to look back at work you've already done and assessed in terms of your career priorities. A few of the rest stop assignments ask you to do outside research, so the resources needed will indicate that. And one of the rest stop assignments asks you to get feedback on your resume from an outside source. So again, the estimated time will be an important one to look at on rest stop part 4. And finally, part 5 rest stop at the end of the semester functions as a final exam. It's not an exam, it is a paper, but it functions as a way for you to bring everything together from the entire semester. Therefore, with rest stop part 5, you will want to be able to go back and look at what you've done in the previous 4 rest stop assignments. These assignments are worth more points than any of the other assignments you're doing. So they are designed to be what's called summative assignments, again asking you to summarize and synthesize what you've been working on to that point, and kind of pulling everything with you through the semester, weaving together all of our topics. Hopefully these instructions for each of the assignments will be useful for you. Again, please read over all of the instructions, but pay particular attention to the resources, the estimated time, and the actual tasks of the assignment. There are also surveys in the modules containing these rest stop assignments to determine whether or not you feel comfortable with the instructions and know what you need to do for the assignments. I will look at those survey results, and if I see clear areas or patterns of confusion, I will add additional clarification and instructions for these assignments.